Hi, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new here. This is episode 2 of my moving series. This video will be all about packing all my stuff basically. So I already have these 2 boxes and this big suitcase. Our plan is to do the packing little by little, like we will be packing everything and then going to the new home, unpacking everything there and bringing up the empty boxes and suitcases. We already did that yesterday with my mom's clothes and mom's stuff. Now it's basically my turn. The thing is, we only have to put the things that we know that we'll not be using for the next few days, because officially we will be moving on Wednesday. Today is Friday, so we only have 5 days to pack everything and move little by little. So yeah, let's get into packing and see what I can actually pack. Okay, so I just finished packing 2 boxes and 1 suitcase. I have noticed how much stuff I have. Like, there's a lot to pack, and like I don't know where to start and how to organize it. Like, I literally packed my books, copybooks. I'm still missing some which are on the desk. Then I packed all my technology things like speakers, headphones. Then I also packed some stationery, some games I had, some toys. But I have a lot of things that I don't use anymore. I have to declutter a lot of things. So yeah, this is day 1 of packing things. Probably I will be packing more, but not right now. I still have to ask my mom what to do. I'll see you on my next packing moment. This is my new room. But the view is so pretty. The only thing is that there's a lot of fog because it rained last night and in the morning, so you cannot really see anything right now. But the view of the 16th floor here is spectacular. But anyways, I'm here to empty all the boxes we have packed and put it on this closet somewhere. So let's just get into it. Today is day 2 of packing everything. It's currently 8 AM and I'm literally so sleepy. And my room is a whole mess right now. Like I need to pack a lot of things. But anyways, let's go packing really quickly. This is day 4 of packing up all my stuff. Day 3 was spent all packing up, but with my family, so that's why I couldn't really record anything. It was so hectic yesterday. But today I'm left alone because my brother went to school and my mom went to work. So I'm literally packing up everything I can on my own. So yeah, let's just go packing. It's finally the day of shifting officially to my new home. It's currently 6 a.m. I woke up at 5:30 and basically we will start shifting at 7 a.m. So yeah, let's go to a full day of just shifting. Okay, so we're actually done with all of the shifting. My bed is right here and my mirror, which I'm going to add, is here. There's still things on the old house in the kitchen that are missing, like we have to go and fetch them basically. But yeah, all the furniture is here and we just have to put it in its place and just decorate it as our new home basically. But that's another video. So I will be decorating, decluttering, organizing all my room in episode 3 of my home series. But yeah, it's like 6 p.m. almost and I started doing everything at 6 a.m. So we've been packing, shifting and doing other things in 12 hours. Too much. But yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it. And I'll see you on the next video or next episode of this series. Bye bye.